today's lesson, we are solving addition and subtraction equations, and the goal is to solve one-step equations involving addition and subtraction. Vocabulary. We have inverse operations. These are operations that undo other operations, or opposite operations. For example, the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. Exact opposite. The inverse of subtraction is addition. We have two properties of equality. Subtraction property of equality, so subtracting the same number from each side of the equation. Each side is both things and underline as well. Very important. This produces an equivalent equation. So doing the same thing with both sides of an equation keeps it equal. And the same goes for addition. If you add the same number to each side of an equation, this also produces an equivalent equation. And we'll stress this to you as long as we are working with equations. So, for addition, I'm going to do the first one. I want you guys to follow along with me as I do it. Then you can go ahead and pause the video and try the next two on your own. Watch the process. We have 8 plus x equals negative 4. We're trying to eventually get the problem to believe that x equals blank. So we get x by itself. Do the opposite of positive 8, which is subtract or negative. 8's go away. Negative 4 minus 8, this point you should know, is negative 12. Now the next one, with x plus negative 8 equals negative 4. Again, the goal is to get x equals something. So, we get rid of negative 8. Well, the opposite of minus 8 is plus 8. If 8's go away, negative 4 plus 8 equals 4. Finally, negative 17 plus x equals 21. We want x equals something. So we get x by itself if you're rid of negative of minus 17 by adding something. X equals 38. These are addition examples, even though we have some negatives and subtraction involved. Subtraction examples. So, in this case, the opposite of subtraction is addition. So we'll be doing that. So the first one, we have x minus 8 equals negative 2. We want x to equal something when we're done. So we get x by itself. Get rid of minus 8 by adding 8. Both sides. Negative 2 plus 8 equals 6. Remember, if you want to pause this and try on your own, I highly encourage it. This one's kind of tricky. So again, we need to get x equals something. So x by itself, get rid of positive 9 and subtract 9 from both sides. That goes away. But this negative sign keeps going with our x. So we have negative x equals 4. We want negative x, we want x, which is the opposite. So take the opposite of negative x to get x. Do the same thing on the other side. Take the opposite of 4 to get the negative. That one's a little bit tricky. It'll be a lot easier after our multiplication lesson tomorrow. Finally, x minus negative 11 equals 2. Talked to you guys a while ago. Double negative, make it plus. So now you have x plus 11 equals 2. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So we get rid of the 11 by subtracting it to both sides. 2 minus 11 equals negative 9. And finally, we're going to use some stuff we learned last unit with combining like terms. So that's our first step in these problems. So on the left side, the left problem, you see our 2 and our minus 9 are alike. We combine them. 2 minus 9 is negative 7. Keep the x and equal 5 the same. We haven't touched that yet. To get rid of minus 7, we add 7 to both sides. X equals 12. And the other one, we have 3 and negative 9 are like terms. Combine those to make negative 6. Negative 6 minus x equals negative 15. We want x equals something, we're all done. So let's add 6 to both sides. Away. But at negative comes with the x. So negative x equals negative 9. Take the opposite of negative x, is on the right. The opposite of negative 9 equals 9. They're all that. These are really, really easy to check. You guys just take the value, the answer you got, and you plug it in for the variable. You can check and make sure your equation works out. And we'll work on that at the end of your class. This concludes your lesson on adding and subtracting one step equation.